Welcome to this safety training session from Custom Chemicals International. Today, we're going to learn about the pictograms you'll see on GHS7 safety data sheets and chemical labels. Understanding these symbols is key to keeping yourself, your colleagues, and your workplace safe. This will not cover all pictograms, but it will list many that are used in chemical manufacturing. The information contained in this video is provided for general purposes only. The supplier of this video takes no responsibility for any actions based on this communication. Product and location-specific training is the responsibility of your employer. A GHS pictogram is a standard symbol placed on a label or the container that is used to quickly show the hazard type of a chemical. Each symbol is enclosed in a red diamond and gives you instant information about the risks and the precautions you need to take. The exclamation mark pictogram indicates less severe hazards like skin or eye irritation, skin sensitization, or respiratory irritation. As an example, cleaning products could irritate eyes or skin in certain circumstances. The corrosive pictogram indicates the product or item has corrosive properties and could cause burns to skin or eyes, or could cause corrosion of metals. The flammable pictogram indicates they're liquids, solids, gases, or aerosols that could easily catch fire and burn. Handle with care. Keep away from heat, sparks, open flames, and other ignition sources. The health hazard pictogram indicates serious long-term health effects like carcinogenicity, respiratory sensitization, reproductive toxicity, or organ damage. The oxidization pictogram indicates oxidizing chemicals, substances that can cause or intensify fires if they come into contact with flammable materials. The environmental pictogram warns users that a chemical is hazardous to the aquatic environment or ozone layer. Users should ensure safe handling procedures are followed as well as correct disposal to avoid long-term ecological damage. The gas cylinder pictogram signals products containing gases that are under pressure, compressed, liquefied, dissolved, or refrigerated. The explosion pictogram indicates severe fire and explosion hazards from substances like explosives, self-reactive materials, and organic peroxides, warning that they can detonate from heat, shock, or friction, requiring stringent handling under controlled conditions by trained professionals to prevent serious injury or property damage. These items should be stored in approved areas, avoid impact, friction, or heat, and handle only with trained personnel. The skull and crossbones pictogram signifies acute toxicity, warning that a substance can cause death or serious harm if swallowed, inhaled, or absorbed through the skin. It indicates immediate, severe health effects from short-term exposure, often seen on labels for highly poisonous chemicals, drugs, and pesticides, representing the highest hazard categories. 1, 2, 3, under the globally harmonized system. Use extreme caution, wear PPE, and follow SDS emergency procedures. To recap, GHS pictograms give you instant hazard information. Always check the pictograms, read the SDS, and follow all safety instructions. Using chemicals safely starts with understanding these symbols.